guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's going this was our kitchen second visitor. Here's what's up. Today we're gonna make a quick dessert or snack, you can say. So let me get the scissors real quick and open this. Okay, after that you want to divide it into 3 pieces. If not, you already have it. So let me get that knife. So about okay, that's 1, 2. Okay, so now we're gonna open the cream cheese. I'll be back once I open it. Okay, now once I open the cream cheese, I'm gonna put it inside my bowl, like so. Then we're gonna add a 4th cup of sugar, and then a bit of vanilla. And then we're gonna mix it. I forgot to tell you guys, but remember to have the cream cheese room temperature, and I switched it to a spoon. So first we're gonna add cream cheese with the sugar and vanilla mix right here. Okay. And then you're gonna open your cherry pie filling. Like that. And then we're gonna get a spoon. Let me get another one. Like that. Okay, then we're gonna make little slits I cut the slits and I put the 2 on the top. So now we're gonna put these. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna move on to this one. So for this one, I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh, like about right here. Like that. Okay, so we're gonna add a bit of cream cheese on. Okay, so now we're gonna add a bit of strawberry jam. Like that, and then we're gonna fold it in half. Okay, so now at the side, we're gonna do the fork to close it up. Like that. I'll be back once I repeat the same process on the other side, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna add egg on them. So you add egg on them. Like that. So now we put them inside the air fryer. And make sure you flip them on both sides. So like this, I did these. And so now we're gonna go put this in the air fryer. So this is how it turns out for all. So bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Hope you like, subscribe, and this was the notification. Huge thumbs up. Bye.